Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
Free Christmas. Sean's laughing. Well, seriously, a lot of us should be dreaming about a debt-free Christmas, man. And a lot of folks still do not understand how powerful they are by owning their own home. And when they run into a bit of a doo-doo, what they can do to get out of that doo-doo and clean up and get sorted out. But I just want to remind folks that Eddie Albert is committed in hanging out here as long as is needed, as he has been on the phone line speaking with people of all different race, creed, color, and religion, a line that I love to use right here. Because here, there's absolutely no discrimination. There's absolutely no prejudice. We don't care who and what you are. We just want to make sure that you enjoy life and take a little bit of stress out of your life. And you can do that by speaking with a loan officer from a great financial institution, First Republic Mortgage Bankers. All right, they were here before we got on radio. They're here now, and they'll be even here, I'm quite sure, after we're finished with radio. So we want to say thanks to them and want to say happy holidays to you again, Mr. Eddie Albert. It's not, people are saying, but it's not the holidays. It is the holidays. So let's see once again what it is that you have to do for these folks here in the tri-state area and beyond with refinancing, Eddie.
This is a great time, Squeeze, to make you goals. You know, we all set goals that we want to attain on the New Year's. But we should start thinking about those goals right now. And you know what? This is a great time to do it. Like I said, I know everybody's real busy right now. Everybody has busy lives. And there's other things going on in their lives. But you know what? To be financially secure should be one of the priorities. You know, other than your health, your family, you know, financial security is one thing that you do want to attain. And it's simple enough to do if you just try to educate yourself. By working with First Republic, and we can help you attain some of these goals. You know, some people out there, some listeners don't believe that they can't own a house. I can tell you every closing, and I put several hundred people in homes, and you know, they all didn't believe that they could buy a house the first time we met. Right. But you know what? Now they're in their homes. Some of them buying second homes, refinancing, doing other things in their life. But you have to have a plan. You got to start somewhere.
Right.
If you don't start, you'll never get to the finish line.
What do you think are some of the inhibitions of individuals not, one, refinancing and purchasing homes? What do you think is going on in their head?
Well, I think they're unsure. They're a little reluctant to all the negative press that's going on with the banking, what they read in the papers, what they hear on the radio, TV. The mass media is sometimes sending out so much information, it's a little confusing. And what people need to know is they have to find out for themselves what the right situation is for them. Because, like I said, there's never two exact same borrowers. Right. Nobody is in the same financial situation. And you really, we want to take a close look at that and see how we can help people. And, you know, can we help everybody all the time? No, absolutely not. But you have nothing to lose.
By finding out.
By finding out.
Right. You know, and with so much help that the government is offering right now, and of course First Republic Mortgage Bankers, you know, working in collaboration with the government, because the government is extending programs to the community through the bank. And of course, I'm very proud that First Republic Mortgage Bankers is with Link Up Media in making sure that information gets solidly distributed to all the folks that's in tune to us right here on Link Up Radio daily. Right now it's time for us to wrap up the show. We're going to do that with some music. However, you can wrap up the show by calling us off air to speak with the loan officer from First Republic Mortgage Bankers. His name is Eddie Albert. The number here is 718-325-5555. That is 718-325-5555. 5555. Give us a call in the studios. Thank you so much, Eddie Albert, for being here in the studios to speak with a lot of individuals who are having credit problems, want to buy a home, want to refinance. People want to lower their interest rate, get rid of all their debt, their credit cards, all their bills before the new year. As a matter of fact, before December 25th. Thank you so much, Eddie, and I'm going to let you go back to the phone lines that's been ringing off the hook for you since you walked into the studios.
Thank you, Squeeze.
Thanks again, sir.